Okay, now we are going to do CIN 2003 Lab 9, configuring file and sharing. Okay. This is on page 76, I think, in your computer. Okay, we are going to work on the DC machine. We will share folders using File Explorer and share folders using Server Manager. And we are going to configure share and NTFS permission. Okay. We have to create an account called student. So let's go to users and computers. So on Paris, right click, new user. Okay. Student S. Okay. So SS. Next. Password is never change. Okay. PA $$ W0RD. PA $$ W0RD. Okay. Finish. Yes? No, remove it. I said don't take that. Untick it. Okay. Also, we need to create, is make sure you create this, otherwise your lab will not work. We need also to create a domain, a global group called sales DGG in Paris. So again, right click on Paris, new group, global group, yeah, sales DGG. All right. And we need to make a student member of this group. So I'll go to student, right click, properties, member of, add sales. Okay, that's it. Very good. We need also to create another one, another group under Paris called sales local group. New group, sales DLG, and domain local group. Okay. Okay, and this is a domain local, right? Domain local. Okay, please. Otherwise, you will end up with some issues. All right. And you need to make the sales DGG member of it, which we know why. So these properties, DGG will be member of DLG, member of sales DLG, because we are going to assign rights. Okay. Now step 17 we are not doing because we are working on the DC. We are working instead of SRV, MBRC, no, we are going to work on our DC straight away, okay? So we go to File Explorer and we are going to create, let me close this. This is my File Explorer of this computer. And I'm going to create a folder on C drive Okay, click on C, new, just as a normal, new, create a new folder. We're gonna name it accounting. All good? Okay, now open accounting. Now here we are going to create a new a file. So we will go rich text document. We just type anything. We are going to name it, okay, budget. All right. Now open it, double click on it. It will open in WordPad. Just say hello and then close it. It will save, yeah. Save it, of course. Okay. خلاص. Now we go back. We go to our budget folder. Accounting. Right click on accounting, properties. Okay. Sorry. اشترك. لا, you shouldn't get this. Maybe you chose a different option. Just use WordPad. Don't use Microsoft Word. Don't type anything. Just create a file, okay? Okay, now accounting. Now we go to advanced. This is very important. So we are going to open sharing. We are going to use advanced sharing because it gives us more control. Advanced sharing. All right. And now here, share this folder. Yes. What is the name that we are going to give to this folder in the share? We will name it spreadsheets. We can give it any name, but it's better to give it a name that means something, okay? Spreadsheets. And just say, okay, so we named it apply, click on apply. Now we are going to choose permissions. Yani who have permission to this file? This everyone, not good. We don't want everyone, of course. So remove everyone. Okay. Whom we are going to add? We are going to add authenticated users. So I'll click on add, type authn, and then check names. Yeah, authenticated users. Click OK. And then select, yeah, here. Authenticated users have full control, okay? Apply. And then just click OK. It's closed. OK again. And close. Okay, let me go back again. Accounting, properties. So we are done with the sharing. We gave it a name, spreadsheets. We gave permission to authenticated user. We removed everyone. Now we want to click on security. Okay. Click on edit. Now for permissions, permissions are down here. So we are going to create or click on edit. All right. Are you all following? Okay, now we are going to add permission to which group? The DLG. Sales, check name. Please use sales DLG, not DGG, because DGG is member of DLG. All right. Okay, just say okay. What are the permissions for DLG? Now we can choose. Let's say we will put read and execute. Okay, only read and execute. Remove the others. All right, and apply. Okay. Now, if you look here, they have added. They did not ask us to add it, but they have added what? Rack IT admin also. Can you see here? They added Rack IT admin. Okay. So let us add, although it's not written, but you can see it. صح? So let's try to add rack. This is the one we created last time. It's not there. Okay, that's why I think it was removed. It was removed from the lab. So that's fine. It was removed from the steps, so we will not do it. We will stick to the steps here. Okay? But let's say it was there, and we just added the same way. That's it. Sales DGG is member of sales DLG. Remember, we said we apply the permissions on the domain local group. Now here they are saying testing share and TFS access. Yani you will log in with a name, with your name, and you will see what will happen. Okay. It should be all right. Okay. So this is the lab for group policy. Any questions about this? I'll tell you now about the remaining steps. Okay, so